In the fast-moving digital world, the ability to link company sites around the globe and access computer systems at different locations from anywhere is becoming more important than ever.
Yeah, not only since COVID has it been necessary to interconnect different sites, users or IT administrators who need to access and administer computers from anywhere and ideally down to BIOS level. But at this point, access and maintenance quickly becomes tricky or even at times impossible. So for these and apparently many other applications, we've spotted the new RemoteAccess-Gate from Guntermann Drunck.
So who else than Jochen Bauer to tell us all about it? Hi Jochen, welcome back to the show. It's good to see you. Tell us, what's new since we last spoke?
Hello Simon, hello Matt, thanks for having me. And yeah, since I assume since our last meeting, which was one of the first we did from our new control center here, we were quite busy working on that. It's been very well received and highly frequented with customer demos from that perfect demo environment here. And the other news we've got since is this new device, which you already mentioned, our RemoteAccess-Gate, which allows remote access to any kind of IT system. And the big advantage is that you can drastically limit the bandwidth, the needed bandwidth compared to our so-far IP systems. Our control center IP system, which offers a full matrix capability, is working rather on LAN structures, typically occupying a gigabit bandwidth. And with this device now, you can even work via internet bandwidth, so via standard IP connection. And the device itself is kind of a standalone device, so you can directly connect it to a computer interface, and remotely operate that computer via an internet connection. But what you can also do is that you can connect it to a comprehensive KVM system, and by that, from a remote location, access all your in-house IT structure. The way we usually put it is your access is important, your location may not. And so this gives you a lot further advantages, not only in times of a pandemic, but of course also beyond, whether it's simple IT administration that you have to fulfill from the outside, or it's, of course, in the current situation, work from your home office and you need access to all your systems, or maybe for the outside production. So if you're outside and you need full access to all the machines in the broadcasting center, that would be the right solution.
So this isn't your first product that has remote access over the internet. Not all of your products are LAN based. How does this differ from previous products?
Actually, it's not our very first product. We offered a similar solution with our previous analog matrices already, but ever since we were waiting for the new solution, which I'm holding in my hands right now. And of course, it differs from the capabilities, from the performance. You get really fluid access and brilliant video via this, even if taking into account the limitation of the bandwidth. And the big advantage to further or different approaches for remote access, like with RDP or VNC protocols, is that via this device, you gain the full access even down to BIOS level. You don't have to install any software. So that keeps you the full performance of your system on site.
So just picking up on that BIOS level access there, Jochen, allowing access to that level. What about security? Is it a bit risky?
Of course, security is paramount, and good thing you're highlighting this. And so as you can expect from G&D, this comes with all the built solid safety parameters with all state-of-the-art encryption. So there's no need to worry about this. Of course, this can give you full access to all your infrastructure. And so, of course, we took good care of our clients' security, and that's all included here.
And you said, so if it's going over public IP on low bandwidth, what about the resolutions? Does it support the full range of resolutions we would expect?
Of course it does. It's kind of state of the art, even if we somehow have to compress all the video information to get it over low bandwidth internet connections. Yeah, it supports full 2K 60 resolution, or you can enter 4K 30, so you can even operate 4K computers. And
is the RemoteAccess-Gate available now, Jochen? Have you got any people using it?
It's available and shipping since early January already, and whoever wants to use it, wants to test it, yeah, we're happy to provide it.
So it does all of the resolutions. Does it also support multi-head monitors effectively?
Indeed, it supports multi-head video, it supports multi-user access, it even provides a local console so that you can, besides transmitting the signals over the internet, you can still locally operate the computer, so that's all part of the device, yeah.
Great, so it's available now, Jochen. How can people find out more information?
Yeah, for this special device here, we have to make sure, although it includes some magic, it can't fulfill miracles. So it's all down to your individual bandwidth, and that's where the performance comes from. And for all who want to find out more and want to make their own impression, we're offering a demonstration access here at our premises, so you can log in from the outside and have a demo yourself. And for that and further information, just have a look at our website, get in touch. We're happy to provide further.
Thanks, Jochen. Brilliant. We'll put a link in the description of the video below. Thanks for coming on once again, telling us about this new development. It's a massive array of applications there, so I'm sure people will check that out. Thanks also to Mediaproxy for supporting the show as always, and you can find out more about them at mediaproxy.com. We'll see you next time.